Welcome to our YouTube channel Self-Health Care. Maximum women are too much tensed about hair loss problem now. In this video I will show you medication of hair loss for female. This is our YouTube channel Self-Health Care. Press the bell icon to get notifications of our latest uploads. Please like, share and comment. And also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Medication for hair loss female. Aloe vera. Extract the pulp content from the leaf or stalk and rub into your hair. Ensure your hair is already washed before you do this. Massage the pulp into your scalp in circular motions. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, and then rinse with cold water. Coconut milk. Apply coconut milk to your scalp using a hair dye brush. Then cover your head with a towel and leave it on for about 20 minutes. You can prepare coconut milk at home by grinding the grated coconut and squeezing its milk. After that, remove the towel and rinse your hair with cold water. Follow up with shampoo. Neem. Boil the neem leaves in water till the water level comes down to half its quantity. Wait for the mixture to cool. Rinse your hair with this mixture. Amla. 4-5 amla. 1 cup virgin coconut oil. Boil the dried Indian gooseberries in coconut oil till the oil turns black. Wait for it to cool, and then massage your scalp with this oil. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, and then shampoo as usual. Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 lemon. Take the 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt in a bowl. To this, add honey and the lemon. Mix the ingredients thoroughly and make a paste. Using a hair dye brush, apply this pack to the scalp and hair roots. Leave it on for about 30 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly with cold water. Licorice root. 1 tablespoon ground licorice root. 1 cup milk. 1 teaspoon saffron. Add the ground licorice root and saffron to the cup of milk and mix thoroughly. Before going to bed in the night, apply this mixture to the bald patches and leave it on overnight. Wash your hair the next morning. Thanks for watching.